Hello! Today I'm going to be unboxing my order from Bentink Modelspoor in Apeldoorn, Netherlands. This order was shipped with DHL and it took well over a month to reach me here. It's not completely surprising considering it was with a Christmas and New Year's holiday, but it is disheartening when I looked at the tracking and it took them 1 week just to go from Apeldoorn to Frankfurt, when I had an order from UPS previously that reached me from Frankfurt to my home in pretty much 2.5 days, allowing for time difference and the fact that it sat at the airport for 10 hours waiting for the next flight. So DHL, not very quick, but without further ado, let's open this up. All right. This order consists mostly of scenery items, and it should be my last big order, as I can finally switch to showing that I can shop online to that I can actually do something with the railroad as well. So let's see here. Invoice. All right, so we start with 2 packages of static grass. These are from Lars op het Hof. And this is early spring and late spring. Most of this order is actually from Lars op het Hof. Here we have some bushes that you can cut up and make plenty of smaller ones from. Let's see. All right, here we have some figurines. We have railroad workers. This is Artitec, Sinterklaas and Zwarte Pieten. These are railroad workers. And then we have advertisings that go on the Artitec buses that I got last time. Then here we have various greenery mats. This one is weeds, and then we have red flowers, white flowers. Then these are grass clippings from summer, spring, early spring. These are medium-sized little bushes. Then we have larger bushes. And then we have even larger and rougher. Let's see what else. We have red flowers and yellow flowers and orange flowers. This is a forest base, like the forest, what you would find on the ground there between the trees with not much light reaching it. And then the rest of these are grass mats. We have the dike that the trains run on for the summer. We have the pasture in the spring, short pasture in the spring, flowers in the pasture, short spring, wildflowers, or more like weeds, I guess. This is summer. And then we have long growth for the farmland. And then the last one we have is the summer, where everything's nice and green. And that's it for this order. So the primary reason for having so many different ones is because when you have a grass field and it has all the same color green, it quickly looks really weird, and you can't really make it look any different unless you introduce other colors. So that's the purpose between all this. So we have different colors, we have different lengths, we have different textures, some of them have flowers, we have additional flowers to put in there, and so forth. So that's this order. And let's see what else we have going on. So that's it from Bentink Modelspoor. They have a great website, and they also have a good YouTube channel where they have live shows with Lars op het Hof, as well as other manufacturers coming in there and doing demos. For more info on what I'm doing with my layout right now, I'm making these walls that are going to separate the outside of the track from the elevation above it. I have seen many variations of this, both on the BNLS forum, the Piko YouTube channel. When they have demos of their new models, they have a similar wall like that, and this is my version of it. Just started doing this one last week, but once this is done, I'll have to start painting it and make it look like a real wall. So that's going to be it for right now. Thank you for watching, and until next time. Bye bye.